Hi everyone, my name is Steph and you probably know me from my social media platform Work Less Play More. So if you're here, it's probably because you're trying to find a way to make money online. Maybe you've tried in the past, it didn't work out. Maybe you're all brand new to it, you came across my videos and you just want to know what it's all about. So first I want to introduce myself. So I'm Steph, I'm originally from France, but I'm living in Canada. I've always wanted to find a way to make money online passively, like a lot of us, I suppose. So I tried different type of businesses in the past, from MLMs to forex trading to creating my own online course to drop shipping, and none of them really worked out. So last year I came across the 15-day challenge from Dave Sharp, and I completed the challenge. It was only $7 and I thought, why not try this one? So I completed the challenge in 15 days. You can go at your own pace. You can watch the videos every day whenever you want. It's extremely convenient. It's extremely easy to understand. As you can see, French is my first language and English is my second language. This didn't bother me at all. So if I can do it, you surely can do it. And you probably can be even more successful than me. So this course will teach you everything you need to know to create your business from scratch to a successful online business. So it will teach you everything and anything about affiliate marketing, of course, and how you can make $1,000 a day. It will show you exactly what to do to be successful. You just need to watch the videos, apply what you learn, and there's no way you cannot be successful at it. So if you want more details about the course, click the button below. You'll see a quick presentation by Dave Sharp. And if that's a business that you think could suit you, just join and let's go.